Okay, so first of all, click and drag to select everything. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl A for select all. And then go to Home and copy path. You can also get to this by holding down Shift and then right-clicking and selecting Copy as Path. Then go to Excel and Ctrl V to paste. And this will get you a list of all of the file names in the folder with the file path. Now, if you want to remove the file path, there are lots of different ways that you can do this, but I am just going to copy the file path and then use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl H to open up the Find and Replace box, and then use Ctrl V to paste the file path in here and replace it with nothing, which will have the same effect as removing it. And then replace all, and OK, and close, and now we have a list of all of the file names. Now another method for this is to copy the file path from up here using Ctrl C, then open up Google Chrome and use Ctrl V to paste the file path in here, and then enter. And this will open up a page that looks like this. And you can then click and drag to select everything, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl A again, and then Ctrl C to copy. Go back to Excel, and then you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl V to paste, but I prefer to right click and paste without the formatting. And using this method you can get the file name without the file path, and you can also get the size and the date modified. And then if you have a folder with subfolders in it and you want to get all of the files in the subfolders as well, you need to go to the search bar and search for a full stop. And that will find every single one of the files in all of the subfolders. Then press Ctrl A for select all. Go to Home and copy path. Then open up an Excel spreadsheet and paste in the file paths. So the first ones here are all of the subfolders, and then this one here is the picture file, which isn't in any of the subfolders. If I go to search and close search, that's this file here. Then all of the remaining files are the ones in each of the subfolders. Okay, so in this video I have shown you how to copy and paste a list of file names from a folder into Microsoft Excel. And that is everything.